皆さんこんにちは。We're going to go over more JLPT N5 Vocabulary with Sentences series. If this video helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified for more JLPT videos. Right, so let's get started. The first word is かぶる。かぶる。That means to put on one's head, to be covered with, for example, dust, snow, etc. or to pour water or other liquids on yourself. Alright, let's look at the example sentence of かぶる。彼女はかわいい帽子をかぶっています。彼女はかわいい帽子をかぶっています。She is wearing a cute hat. Right, let's break it down. First word, 彼女. That means she, right? And then what is a topic marker. And 彼女は, that means talking about her. かわいい, you know this word, right? It means cute. And then 帽子, 帽子, that means hat. So かわいい帽子, that means cute hat. Alright, or it indicates it's a particle that indicates direct object of an action, and action usually comes after that. That action is かぶる, to put on something on your head in this case. Alright, this part かぶって, it's a te form of かぶる. かぶって. And then after that, います that makes the verb ing form. Like かぶる into ing form, that means wearing. Alright, かぶっています that means wearing. What is she wearing? She's wearing a かわいい帽子, a cute hat. Alright, let's look at the next example. 彼は頭から水をかぶった。彼は頭から水をかぶった。Alright, this reminds me of an ice bucket challenge, right? So it means he poured water on himself. Alright. 彼, that means he. And then what is a topic marker again? So talking about him. Next, 頭, that means head. So から means from. When we look at that picture, the water comes from the top to bottom, his head to the bottom. You see this direction, 頭から, it means from head. So 頭から means from head. So water is coming from his head to the bottom. Right, next, 水, that means water. お is again a particle that indicates direct object of an action, and action is かぶる. Alright? And then かぶった, it's a past form of かぶる. And then this かぶる, it means pour water on himself. And it says 頭から, so it means water comes from the head to the bottom. Right? So if you translate that sentence into English, it will be he poured water on himself. Right, next word, 借りる. 借りる. That means to borrow. So let's look at the example sentence. 図書館から本を借りました。図書館から本を借りました。I borrowed some books from the library. Right. 図書館, this means library. から is again from. So 図書館から means from library. And then next, 本. That means book. お is again that indicates the actual object of an action, and this time action is 借りる, to borrow. 借り, this part is a mass form of 借りる. And then ました is a past form of ます. Alright, so 本を借りました. That means borrowed books, borrowed some books. And then 図書館から, so borrowed some books from the library. There is no subject in this sentence, so you can assume that it's talking about that person that is speaking. So it'll be I borrowed some books from the library. Alright, next word, 考える. 考える. That means to think, to consider. Alright? 母はいつも子供のことを考えている。母はいつも子供のことを考えている。Moms are always thinking about their children. Alright, let's break it down. The first word, 母. That means moms. Or sometimes it means my mom. That depends on the context. Right? Next word, は is a particle that marks the topic marker. So, 母は that means talking about her for moms. Next, いつも that means always. 子供 that means children. Next, のこと that means about in this case. So, 子供のこと that means about children. お is a particle that indicates direct object of an action, and in this case, action is 考える to think. Alright, next word 考えて is a T form of 考える. Next, いる after the verb that makes it the verb ing form. So, 考えている that means thinking. Alright, so mom's always thinking about children. Alright, so let's dive into のこと, what it actually means. Alright, so のこと, it actually indicates direct object of an action, just like お. However, the difference is that のこと has a meaning of abstraction, including surroundings and situation of the target. What do you mean by that? Let's look at an example. Alright, 彼女が好きですか? That means, do you like her? In this case, it's almost pointing at her, and do you like her? You almost can think like there are two girls. Do you like her or her? These girls are direct object of an action in this sentence. On the other hand, if you say 彼女のことが好きですか? It still means do you like her? But the difference is that the abstraction のこと brings in the abstraction including surroundings and etc. Alright, I explained that in detail. In this case, you use the のこと, so it's asking if you like her, including her surroundings like personality, looks, attribute, way of thinking, hobby, taste. It can't include anything, but all in all, everything included, do you like her? So that's what it means. So it's not just a direct target of an action that indicates, it also includes an abstraction like surroundings, personality, looks, attribute, attitude, her attitude, way of thinking, hobby, taste. Let's look at more example with のこと because we use it a lot, right? Let's say I want to say I forgot what happened yesterday. I think I see this in like animes a lot. And if you translate it into Japanese, you could say 昨日何が起こったか忘れた。昨日何が起こったか忘れた。昨日 means yesterday. 何が means what. 起こった that means what happened. か just connects the two verbs, and then 忘れた that means forgot, right? So if you connect it together, I forgot what happened yesterday. However, you could also say 昨日のことを忘れた。昨日のことを忘れた。So 昨日 means yesterday, right? And then 忘れた means forgot. That's the same. However, you brought in のこと。In this case, のこと means broadly about, including what happened. So I forgot broadly about yesterday, including what happened. Right, the next word, 消える。消える。That means to go out, to vanish, to disappear. Alright, let's look at the example sentence. 突然、明かりが消えた。突然、明かりが消えた。Suddenly, the light went out. Right, the first word 突然 that means suddenly. 明かり means light. が is a subject marker, so 明かり is the subject in this sentence. Then 消えた that is a past form of 消える. In this case, it means went out. What went out? The light went out. And suddenly. So the whole sentence means suddenly the light went out. Let's look at the next example sentence. スキーのリフトは霧に消えた。スキーのリフトは霧に消えた。Alright, the first word, ski, that means ski. And then lift, that means lift. And no in the middle is just connecting two nouns together. So ski no lift, that means ski lift. Next, what is a topic marker? So talking about ski lift, kiri, that means fog. Ni is a particle that indicates direction in this case. So, 霧に that means into the fog. And then 消えた is a past form of 消える. In this case, it means disappeared. So, talking about ski lift, it disappeared into the fog. Alright, before I wrap up this video, I give you a homework. Try to make a sentence with any of the words we learned today, and feel free to post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. またね